Hello, welcome to today's live. If you're catching my live for the first time or the replay of this video, I am Ronica Brown, and for this month, what's going on May 20th is the week when the tax planning coaching program kicks off, where I will be working with some amazing tax professionals to help them implement tax planning in their business so that they can help their clients save money in your taxes. So that's an awesome win-win for tax professional as well as for their clients. Business owners are getting smarter, they're asking more questions, and they're seeing what else is out there in the market. So if you're a tax professional and you're working with business owners, or you want to work more with business owners and you're not offering tax planning, then that's one way you're losing money. That's one where you may be losing your clients too, because as they start growing in their business, then they're going to be looking for tax savings. But anyways, this video is to address a post that I did yesterday about what is tax planning versus what is projection, and there were some images on that post that I got several questions, and some of them were a little cuss out as well. So if you're doing projections, I don't have a problem with people doing projections. So what I was posting is the difference between what a tax plan is and what a projection is, because a lot of accountants or CPAs or tax professional as a whole, as I call this group, regardless if you're a CPA, EA, or licensed or unlicensed, I call the entire group. If you're doing taxes, tax professionals. Anyways, so if you're doing projections, that's completely cool. If that's the only thing that you want to be providing, that's completely fine. If your clients, if that's the only one thing that they want to pay you for, that's completely fine. What I'm just saying is that that's not really tax planning, because what makes tax planning different is it includes two things. One is you show them the strategies to reduce your taxes. So these are things that they would not get normally when they just file a tax return for you, because as you know that these things need to be implemented during the year. They have to move the cash, they have to have the documentation and so forth in order for it to be legitimate come tax filing time. The second thing that it would include that's different from a projection is basically what's the dollar amount they're going to save based on their tax rate. So this is actually a deliverable that the client gets, something that shows them the numbers of how much that they can save so that they can make educated decision. So that's why this is not what projection is, where you look at how much you're going to make for the year and then just provide them estimated taxes. That's basically you just giving them how much they should pay, and also that's just basically you don't know if they're overpaying, they don't know if they're overpaying, they don't know what savings they're getting. So that's what makes the planning aspect different. That's what makes it a different service offering. That's what makes it something else that can help to increase your revenue and a value add that you can offer your business clients. So I was not trying to say you should not do projection. That was not the point. The point is projection and tax plannings are completely different. And if you're doing projection and saying that it's tax planning, then your clients are not saving enough. That's it. So you can let me know what your comments and questions are after I make this clarification. But if you do want to know how to do tax planning and implement tax planning, as I said, if you're doing business return, you have to know how to do business return. So that is one of the requirements for you to participate in this program. Go ahead and send me a message and we can talk to see if it's a good fit for you. Currently, as of today, there are 4 seats left. So excited. So it's packed with a lot of value, a lot of one-on-one time, and we're gonna have some fun, and in the end you will be able to know how to do tax plan, learn these advanced tax strategies, and also get your clients implement these strategies for them. They will love you, they will pay you for it. If you're thinking that they're not gonna pay you for it, then that's an entire different problem, and if they're not, then you go find someone else that will pay for it, because there are people that they'll do their own tax return, right? So there's just different level of things that different business owners would pay for. There's some business owners, they will do their own tax return, and if they're doing their own tax return, I think they just need to start making some more money. So then again, you don't need to be chasing after them if they want to go use TurboTax or process their own tax return. But anyways, so the point is, production and tax plannings are two different things. Tax planning increase your revenue. It's a different service that you can add to your business, and it's and you know what the conversation is that you have about it, that's a different thing. But the program starts on May 20th. That's when we're scheduling the one-on-one sessions, where I will get to look into how you can start tax planning for the clients that you currently have. If you don't have anyone that you think this service is a fit for, and you know, sometimes people, we disqualify our clients before we give them the chance to disqualify themselves. So make sure that you're also not doing that you're not choosing for your clients, oh, that person is not gonna, you just never know until you offer it to them. If you offer it to them and they say no, then it's cool, you move on. But don't go ahead and disqualify your client, because I see that's a trend that, you know, people are thinking that, you know, no, this person is not, you know, these few people are not going to. So you can't disqualify people without giving them a chance to basically, you can't basically choose for them without giving them a chance to choose for themselves. So see you on May 20th. Don't send me no cuss out message again. Don't send me some cuss out message again. I'm not speaking to anyone directly, but anyways, send me a message to see if you qualify, and I look forward to seeing everyone start offering tax planning service, so that we can change how business owners see tax professionals. They can know exactly what we do. Some of them, you know, and you know, that's why there's like so many issues on the market, where, you know, there's a lot of people getting incorrect returns. There are people that you know, they're not getting all their deductions. There are people that's processing business returns that don't know what they're doing. So, you know, the more people start, you know, helping tax business owner in this way, then the more benefit and the more business owners will benefit from our service. But that's it for today. Send me a message to see if you qualify to participate in this awesome program that's kicking off on May 20th with a one-on-one session. So you just get to basically pick your time during that week when you're available. And that's it for today. I don't know what else to say.